Look at the whip. Look at the whip. How is this thing still in one piece? Especially after you driving it.
Oh,
hitting curves and shit.
Curves?
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Right now we are headed to...
Come on, babe. Think.
Manhattan Beach.
No. Beverly Hills.
We're headed to Beverly Hills to get some breakfast. Then after that we're going to Manhattan Beach. But then tonight, the fun part of the video, I'm gonna go meet up with some dude named, it's Chris Dude on Instagram. He's got a Widebody V2, another guy with a Rybacker V2 FRS. So that should be some pretty freaking sick content. I will see you guys.
Turn right.
You'll probably see another breakfast edit coming at you. 3, 2, 1.
I want to put my butter on first. Calm down.
Alright, so here's the current scoop. Chris with the Widebody V2 wasn't able to meet up tonight. He's got school from work from 12 to 4 or something weird like that. So he's working all night. So we're not meeting up with him. We're gonna go cruise over to Long Beach. Hope you guys enjoyed that little beach edit. As far as the car thing tonight, there's a little change of plans. I'm gonna go meet up with Brandon Watch This Media. He's shooting a GTR. And as I'm doing that, this little chump over here wants to sit in the car and edit photos, edit videos.
Oh, frick.
What's going on?
I don't know. Freaking clothes.
Should be a pretty sick GTR, I think. What up? What do you think? Is it gonna be a sick GTR?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Most GTRs are pretty sick, so.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna be hard for these the ones you don't like. Just like other videos.
Yeah, I do. I like them.
But
I just like the newer ones better. That's why I dislike the old ones.
holy shit, someone just broke into my car. No freaking way, dude. No way, dude.
No freaking way, dude.
No way, dude. Some. Whoa.
Okay, good.
Wait, that's my whip? That's my whip?
This is your whip.
Damn. You have my keys?
No, babe.
Why?
You freaking caught them.
I copied them? Alright, I'll see you guys at the photo shoot location.
Some video of it right here.
Yeah?
And then we're gonna take your car and his too, probably. Go over there, and I need to get you a station post.
Yes.
Another one.
Yes,
We need to
you've
get
got so many of
every
me.
car you own on stand post.
Yeah, you really have. I think. You want me to air out?
Yeah, fuck.
Why do you... Bro.
I forgot that you're not a static bitch.
I was for a little bit. So this is the homie Brandon right here. Come here, Brandon. Get in my vlog. Hey,
gay.
where's your videos at? Where's your vlog at, huh? From Vegas.
I don't have time. Fucking Jordan hit me up and asked if he could edit them, so I think I'm gonna take him up on that. And
That'd be sick.
because I don't have time to do that.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of time.
If you guys aren't following Brandon already, make sure you follow him. Watchness.media on Instagram. Look at this guy. He's always getting these angles. Dude, my car's so dirty right now.
That's fine.
Yeah. And here's the GTR. Pretty sick. What? Do you know what year that is?
What?
Wait, do you know what year that GTR is?
2014.
Good. The good years.
I like it. It's a lot nicer than on Instagram, I feel like.
Everybody says that. They're like, dude,
On
it's...
Instagram, I don't like it very much, honestly. I don't like the ride backer kids. But
Yeah.
right now, I really fucking like it.
I love this.
Especially morning.
Yeah, I like how it turned out. Do you like that?
I'll just have you start it and then just fucking haul ass that way.
Should we go back a little
Haul
more so
ass.
you can have room?
I think it looks quick. I want to ride in that motherfucker. How's it going? What was that?
What are you guys doing in the area?
Shooting videos. Oh, Brandon. Always just trying to take photos of my cars because they're the coolest.
Dude, this color like glows.
I know, it really does. So I don't hate.
I know it really does.
What up, guys? I haven't picked up the camera all day. We've been just kind of hanging out, checking out California. The whole reason, I don't even know if I told you guys, the whole reason that we actually came down here is to see if we want to move down here. And it's been pretty dope. We went to the gym, we checked out Gold's Gym, Venice Gold's Gym, which is like the mecca of bodybuilding, it's called. And then we went and got Chick-fil-A, but now it is time to go meet up with those car homies. I'm gonna go wash my car, and then there's like a little parking lot on the beach.
On beach or
On
on a beach?
On the beach that we're gonna go meet up at. So I'll see you guys. Should I do a car wash edit? Sounds kind of fun. Can you film good for me? Or do you want to wash my car?
Can I? I'm way better at editing than you.
Edit it. Honey, I'll edit it. You just need to film it.
Let me edit it.
Okay. We're no bullshit. Bobby's gonna film and edit the car edit or the car wash edit you're about to see.
Don't doubt me, babe.
If you like it, go on her freaking channel. I'll have it linked right up in that corner up there, her latest video. And go tell her #sick edit, bro.
Oh my gosh. Next exit, babe.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little edit done by yours truly. Now I'm just waiting on Homeboy with the white Rybacker V2 to show up. The thing is so freaking nice, and I'm jealous of his wheels.
Hi, I'm Bobby.
Oh, Jimmy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Holy crap, yeah, your car is cool.
Yeah, it's sick. They always look so much different in person.
Yeah, in person it's so much different.
Yeah, that's how it always is.
Yeah.
Okay, I love those wheels.
Yeah, I really like the black and white, like the black accents everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you static?
Oh yeah, static.
Wow, that's crazy. That looks sick.
Yeah. His downfall is being static though.
Yeah.
I already cracked my other side.
Did you?
Yeah, it's
Damn.
like just the side skirt. So you know how you took yours off?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I cracked mine on the back. Like right here. But I mean, it's
Yeah,
nothing
I
too
think
big.
I remember your Instagram story of that.
Yeah, that's the only thing I've broken so far. Oh, and this here too, but I'll just fix that some other time. The little
like-
screw came off.
Oh,
I mean,
you
I could
screwed
fix
yours on too?
Yeah.
Look at those cute little cars.
Yeah, this thing is fucking sick.
Yeah, I definitely like the front end better on his than yours,
Yeah,
babe.
it's the same
Sorry.
bumper. It's the same bumper, it's just like he's got canards.
Forward or
That's perfect right there. Yeah, he's got the canards and then a different lip.
Yeah, cool.
yeah, his lip makes it like more.
Well, I was gonna do canards, but you told me not to.
I know, I changed my mind.
Do you like canards?
Yeah,
Like them out? I think it looks hella sick.
yeah, it does look cool.
Let me snap this real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna go hop in the car for a little bit.
So this is the homie Jimmy's car I was telling you about. Like I said, guys, his freaking wheels. Look at these things. Oh my gosh, so jealous. You want to introduce the car to the channel?
This is my silent FRS rally backer kit.
Another backer V2.
Yep.
What's your Instagram?
Jimmy_8SX.
I'll throw it on the screen for you guys. Go give him a follow. This thing is absolutely gorgeous in person. If you guys are already following Jimmy, go give him a follow. The dude's hella dope in person, and his car is sicker than mine. So why are you not following him? What are we doing? Going to grab a drink?
Drink.
I think we're gonna like drink and discuss life, cause
what?
well, we gotta figure out if we're moving here or not. Is my mic?
Okay.
Well, number one, is my hair good? Okay. Go on.
So we don't need to have a life talk because we need to go to a few locations because there's no way in heck I'm living around this type of stuff.
Yeah, this is like too crowded. And
Way too crowded. So we're gonna have to go off the beaten trail tomorrow, and
I don't know tomorrow. One of these days.
Yeah, sometime this
Like,
week.
we gotta like talk to people that live around here. That's why like everyone I meet, I ask them, what area do you live in, and what do you recommend? Do you like the freaking area you live? And if you were to move somewhere else in like SoCal, where would you go?
Okay, babe, let's discuss this over drinks.
Chevy Drive 901.
Look alive, look alive.
That's not the song.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna listen to it real quick. Let's go bang out to it. What's it called?
Look alive?
Look Alive is completely different. Oh, it is Look Alive. Shit.
Dang. Dang.
It is called, yeah. Damn. You
Hey,
good.
I tried to freaking tell you.
I didn't know.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough of that
Ow,
edit.
I can't hear you. Babe, freaking turn that off. I can't hear nothing.
Why are you tripping?
Can we take a quick snoozer? Okay, that 110% is going out. Nobody knows what a freaking snoozer is. Babe, chill for 2
Oh,
seconds.
look at all the lights on my dash. Did I tell them about like how it's cutting power?
I don't know.
So one time I was driving, like
One time?
no, like that one time in last video when I was driving, or 2 videos ago, whatever. I don't freaking know. When I was driving and all my lights came on, and I told Bobby, I was like, okay, my car is not running right because I downshifted to like go around the corner and try to haul ass or whatever. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, because I'm in an FRS. And it didn't, literally my car did not freaking move. And then I realized when I was trying to get on the highway, I think I was trying to get on the highway or the freeway, second gear, I hammered down and it wouldn't go past 4,500 RPM. It like was bop, bop. Wait, hold up, listen to this. You wanna go outside and show them actually?
No head.
Okay, whatever, watch this. That was pedal to the metal right there. It will not go past 4,500 RPM. So there's some sort of limiter when your check engine light's on that doesn't let you go past 4,500 RPM, just so you like don't break your shit. So it's pretty crazy. And I was right, Bobby was
Oh my
wrong.
gosh. What are these people doing?
Enough rambling. We're gonna go.
Look alive, look
No,
alive.
babe, stop interrupting my freaking videos. You always do.
And like you don't interrupt mine. If you guys don't know what my videos are like, head on over to BobbyWallaceYouTube.com.
Link up in the top right corner.
Yeah.
So that's gonna conclude the little car section of the freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That
Freaking video.
Oh my gosh.
Ugh.
I'm gonna have a panic attack. If you guys liked the Rally Backer White FRS, wait, I want you guys to go comment down below. Number 1, since I like his wheel so much, what do you guys think? Should I swap out the VSXXs for a set of T7Rs? Because I think those wheels are so freaking sick. I'm actually gonna Photoshop them, throw them on my car. Picture on the screen will be right now. yeah, check that out. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know. Anyways, we're gonna go grab a drink and discuss some shit. I don't know what we're gonna discuss, and just chill. Enjoy the night. I'll see you guys there. So I have this new setting on my controller right here, preset low for rollers, and I'm gonna show Bobby how low it is because she keeps yelling at me because it's too high. Damn, that's sick. That is an epic low height. That's not that bad. Look at, you can almost fit it. Come here.
Oh.
You can almost fit a finger in there. Try it.
My pinky doesn't even fit in there.
Too low or too high?
Too low.
What?
Come on, babe. Shut her off.
Alright, here, hold the camera. Hell yeah, we aired out.
It didn't do anything.
No. That's why I love it. So, we ended up at Buffalo Wild Wings. Two major reasons. Number one, it's happy hour, so it's cheap. Two, they have chicken. We all like chicken. Three, they are open till 1. I'll see you guys inside for another hella epic food edit. Go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button right over that corner up there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Yo.